Welcome to Brain Vision.
In a constant volume thermometer, the volume is constant and the amount of gas is constant, which means we use the formula P by T is equal to nR by V, which is a constant. So that's PBP, the boiling point, by temperature corresponding to BP, is equal to pressure at triple point divided by temperature at triple point. So that gives us pressure at boiling point divided by pressure at triple point is temperature of boiling point divided by temperature of triple point. Now that boiling point is at 100 degrees Celsius, so that's 100 plus 273.15 in Kelvin. And triple point is 0 degrees Celsius, so that's 0 plus 273.15 Kelvin, which gives us 1.3660.